welcome to Vondessa J. So this is a little different because guys, this is an open collaboration and it's right here for the spring. So guys, this is what it is, but first I have some beautiful co-hosts. So let me introduce you to my co-host for this spring 2025 collaboration. My first co-host is Malinda over at All Things Home on a Budget. Malinda loves cooking, home designs, but she is known for her DIYs right from your Dollar General. So thank you, Malinda. My next one is Creevily Miss Me, and it's Stephanie, and she loves home decorating lives. Y'all, if you have not been in one of Stephanie's lives, baby, you missing a treat. But I do want to say to both of my ladies, thank you so much for doing this collab with me. So I reached out to Stephanie and Malinda, and when I said, I know this was like at the last minute, but I can say, my sis that came through, it was like, absolutely yes. So guys, let me tell you about this oak collaboration. This is your spring door wreath 2025 open collaboration. So go ahead and get all of your goodies together because everybody wants a door wreath for their door for the spring. So it is March the 22nd, 2025. It is upload time at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Make sure you use this hashtag. The hashtag is Spring Door Wreath 2025. But if you know me, and if you heard about some of my collabs in the past, I always do a twist, okay? So the twist to this one, guys, for one, you cannot spend over $20. Yes, not over $20. We don't want to go to the price of them that's in the store that is $40 and up. So we want to do this as a DIY challenge at $20. The other thing is, guys, you must have a flower in your wreath. So guys, this is an open collaboration with Malinda and Stephanie. We're all ganging together. So I am looking for some beautiful wreaths, okay? I don't care what type of wreath you have. It's beautiful. It's your color. It's your thing. I want to see what you're going to come up with. But guys, in the video, let's tell how much we spent on each piece, because you know we can go back and forth and just say, hey, we did our wreath and we have spent $35-40, okay? So if it's based on Dollar Tree, put your price in there. If it's based on Dollar General, put your price in it. Hobby Lobby, put your price tag on it. So guys, it is so simple, so easy. Please do use your YouTube etiquette when it comes down to collaboration. Please do go over to my girls and they will have probably an introduction also, but since I'm the host, I want to go ahead and get it out to you. So I want to say thank you to Stephanie and Malinda saying yes to you, girl. This is not going to be my only spring summer collaboration, okay? So I do have another that I am going to be coming up with. So never ado, I see y'all guys on the 22nd at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And remember, not over $20, and you must have a flower. Bye. See you then.